Luxury car maker Rolls-Royce has unveiled its first fully electric-powered car at this year's Geneva Motor Show. The 102EX, or Phantom Experimental Electric, will serve as a test vehicle to help inform decisions on how Rolls-Royces of the future could be powered. The company will take the car to owners around the world to gather views and ignite a debate on whether such a vehicle can be produced true to their historic values of luxury and perfection.
After Geneva Motor Show, 102EX will go on a world tour where we bring customers in and where we also bring media people in, journalists, to get real insights in what is their opinion, how do they feel, is that something which fits or is it a compromise, electric and Rolls-Royce, electric and luxury. And this is exactly what we want to find out.
In launching the world's first electric vehicle for the ultra-luxury market, it's the company's intention to seek opinions and reactions of a range of stakeholders, including enthusiasts, members of the public and the media. Through test drives across the world, owners will be given the opportunity to feedback their experiences, thoughts and concerns directly to Rolls-Royce.
It's very much for us about, is that still the true Rolls-Royce experience in terms of driving comfort, effortless driving. And after that 1 year of experimenting over the world, we will have much better insights from our consumers and prospects and owners. Is that appropriate, yes or no? And then we will see what brings next.
While there are no plans to develop a production version of the Phantom Experimental Electric, Rolls-Royce hopes this vehicle will begin a dialogue with existing owners and stakeholders, posing as well as answering questions of its audience.